Ever feel like your car's interior is just missing something? This gear shift knob and gator combo for the Mazda 6, specifically the 2002 to 2007 models, might just be that missing piece. It promises to elevate your driving experience, and honestly, it's got a lot going for it. The product description really emphasizes the premium feel, mentioning scratch-resistant materials and a sleek, durable design. It's crafted from ABS plastic and PU leather, which sounds like a solid combination for longevity and that sophisticated look. They're pushing the idea of an ergonomic, non-slip grip, which is crucial for smooth gear changes, especially if you're driving a manual. The description also highlights its universal fit for most manual and automatic transmissions, though it specifically calls out this version for manual, left-hand drive Mazda 6 models. Installation is touted as a breeze, a simple twist and unscrew for the old one, then slide on the new. No tools required, which is always a win in my book. The dimensions are listed as 18, 5 cm in length, 11, 5 cm in width, and 17, 5 cm in height. It's designed to reduce shifting fatigue with its lightweight yet sturdy build. The corrosion-resistant finish is another plus, suggesting it'll hold up well over time and maintain its good looks. It's not just about function, though. The aesthetic appeal is a big part of the pitch. They talk about personalizing your interior and infusing new life into your vehicle. It's about blending comfort, precision, and versatility for a refined driving experience. The eco-friendly aspect of the materials is also mentioned, which is a nice touch. Overall, this looks like a straightforward, yet impactful upgrade for a specific range of Mazda 6 vehicles. It aims to deliver on both style and a more comfortable, precise feel when you're shifting gears. It seems like a solid choice for anyone looking to refresh their car's interior with a touch of elegance and improved ergonomics.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.